So friends, let me move on to puzzle number 18. So here is the question. So there are 7 friends starting from A to G, right? All the persons are going to a party on a different day starting from Monday to Sunday. And each person is wearing a watch which is cost 400, 600, 900. So friends, our target to find which person is going to party on which day and also the cost of his watch, right? Okay friends, let me move on to the first point. So A went to party on one of the day after Friday. So either A should go on Saturday or otherwise A should go to party on Sunday, right? So let me assume that this is condition number 1. So either A should go to party on Saturday or otherwise A should go on to party on Sunday. So there are 2 possible, right? But it should be after Friday. Okay friends, next point, the one who went to party on Wednesday, so watch worth rupees 1200, right? The person who went to party on Wednesday, his watch cost will be 1200. So we can definitely say that this should be 1200. Okay friends, next point is the difference between the amount of watches by 2 friends on Monday and Friday is a multiples of 7. So Monday and Friday, right? The cost of watch, that is Monday and Friday, which is multiples of 7, right? So friends, listen here, let me take it as a clue that so Monday and Friday, where the difference on their amount should be multiples of 7. So we know that starting from 400, the costliest watch will be 2700, right? So multiples of 7 should be 7 2s are 14 or it can be 7 3s are 21, right? There are 2 possible friends, but the difference amount should be multiples of 7. So let me do one thing. Friends, listen here, 400 and 1800, right? So I think 400, 1800, where the difference will be 1400, which will be multiples of 7, right? So friends, listen here, 400, 1800, the difference will be 1400, which is multiples of 7, or otherwise 2700, 1600, I think 2700, friends, listen here, 600 difference 2700, I think the difference will be 2100, right, which is multiples of 7. So there are 2 possible, friends, either Monday should be 400 or Monday should be 1800 or Friday should be 400 or 1800, but the difference amount should be multiples of 7. So we have 2 possible. So I think we don't want to confuse a lot. Let me move on to the next point, friends. So the next point is 2 friends went to the party between F and one who watch rupees 400, right? So there are 2 friends gone to party between F and whose watch is worth rupees 400. So let me take it as a clue that so F and 400, there should be gap of 2%. Either it can be 400 or F, but between F and 400 there should be gap of 2%. Okay friends, next point, B went to party on one of the days immediately before the one who was wearing a watch of rupees 900. So before 900, so we can say that before 900 the person B went to the party, right? So I think again there are many possible. So let me take it as clue number 1 and clue number 2 and clue number 3, right? Okay friends, next point is 2 friends, I think we have read that point, right, immediately. Okay, so 2 friends went to the party between B and G. So between B and G there should be gap of 2%, right? So I think okay, let me take it as a clue that between B and G there should be gap of 2%. Either it can be G and B, right, but between B and G there should be gap of 2%. Okay friends, next point is so similar 3 friends went to the party between F and D. Oh my god. So friends, between F and D there should be gap of 3%. So let me take it as clue number 5 that between F and D there should be gap of 3%. Okay friends, C did not wear the watch which cost least. So C's watch is not least, right? We know that the least amount will be 400 rupees. So we can definitely say that C watch is not 400 rupees, right? So okay friends, next point is the price of the watch one of the went to the party on Wednesday and Saturday is more than rupees 1000, right? Okay, so friends, listen here, the price of the watch of one who went to party on Wednesday and Saturday. So Wednesday and Saturday the watch amount should be more than rupees 1000. Okay, more than rupees 1000. So Wednesday and what about friends, Wednesday and Saturday, so more than 1000. Okay, so Saturday amount should be more than 1000. But I think we have the amount that is 1800, 1500, 2700. Again there are many possible, right? Okay, no problem. Let me move on to the next point, friends. And the sum equal to the cost watch worth by one who went party on Friday. So friends, listen here. I think we got one important clue, friends. So read the point carefully. Right? So the price of the watch who went to the party on Wednesday and Saturday, right? The person who was wearing a watch on Wednesday and Saturday is more than ₹1,000, and the sum is equals to cost of the watch who that is on party on Friday. So friends, listen here. The watch amount of Wednesday and Saturday, both the sum should be equal to the amount that is on Friday, right? We know that Friday amount should be 1,800 or 2,700. So let me do one thing, friends. If I fix 1,800, let me assume that if I am fixing 1,800 here and this should be 600, so that the amount that is Saturday and Wednesday, when we add both the amount, it should be equal to Friday. But we already know that Saturday amount should be more than 1,000, right? So we can definitely say that this is not possible. So when we fix 2,700 on Friday, so I think the remaining amount will be 1,500. So we can definitely say that, friends. Listen here, friends. The amount that is on Wednesday and Saturday is the sum of the amount on Wednesday and Saturday, that should be equal to Friday, right? So 1,200 plus 1,500, the resultant will be 2,700. So if Friday is 2,700, then we can confirmly say that Monday should be 600, because the difference between both the amounts should be multiples of 7. So difference between will be 2,100, which is multiples of 7. So finally we have fixed Monday and Friday amount, right? So next is 900. The person who wore a watch of 900 rupees, immediately above should be B, right? So if I fix 900 here, this should be B, or if I fix 900 here, this should be B. I think we are getting more possibles, right? So here is another condition. Okay, from still I think we have lots of points, right? So let me move on to the next point, friends. The difference between price of the watch by B and G is less than 500. So the difference between B and G should be less than 500, right? So B and G, the difference should be less than 500. F and 400, friends. So if I fix 400 here, this should be F, or if I fix 400 here, again there are more possibles. Between F and D there should be gap of 3%. I think no, let me move on to the next point, friends. The one who watches ₹900 do not go on Friday. So friends, listen here, friends. Okay, Friday we have already fixed. Okay, friends, next point is F went to party on one of the day after the one who wore a watch of ₹400. So the person F is going to a party after 400, right? So after 400 it should be F. Listen here, friends. We know that F and 400 there should be gap of 2%. Now they are saying that the person who wore a watch of ₹400, so after 400 only the person F went to the party. So we can definitely say that it should be like this, right? So 400 and F, between F and 400 there should be a gap of 2%. So friends, if I fix 400 here, we can't able to fix F here, right? So if I fix 400 here, I think 1, 2, this should be F. And friends, I think there are two conditions. Listen here, friends. If I am fixing 400 here, assume that I am fixing 400 here, we can't able to place F here. So if I fix 400 here, so 1, 2, this should be F, because F and 400 there should be gap of 2%, and also F and D there should be gap of 3%. So 1, 2, 3, definitely this should be D, right? And B and G there should be gap of 2%, and also 900 above we need to place B. So if I fix 900, this should be B, and if I fix 900, this should be B. So friends, if next is if I fix 400 here, so in this condition, so 1, 2, this should be F, right? Because if this should be F, 1, 2, 3, and this should be D. But in both the cases we can fix F and A and also F and D. Okay friends, next point is our target to fix 900 above, it should be B, right? And between B and G there should be gap of 2%. So if I fix 900 here, this condition is eliminated. If I fix 900 here, this can be B, right? And if this is B, so 1, 2, this can be G, and B and G the difference should be less than 500. It is possible, one possible, friends. So next is, I think C is not 400. Okay, we should not place C here because C is not 400. So let me move on to the next point, friend. I think still we have a lot of points. So the one who wore a watch of rupees 1800 went to the party immediately after one whose watch is 1200. Friends, listen here, 1200. So afterward, that is next day will be 1800. So we can definitely say that we should place 900 here. If I place 900 here, immediately above 900 the person B went to the party, right? So immediately above 900, this is the place for B, but in this condition we can't able to place B here because already A is going to party on Saturday. So we can definitely say that this condition is eliminated. So friends, we know that between B and G there should be gap of 2 persons. So 1, 2, this should be G, and their watch amount should be less, difference of watch amount should be less than 500. So 1500, 1200, the difference will be 300, which is less than 500. So friends, the remaining, I think we should not place C here, only one possible I should place C here. So remaining letter are A, B, C, D. I think E is remaining, right? So we should place E here. So finally we have got an answer for one of the interesting puzzle. So I think still we have lots of point remaining, right? So the point will be the price of F watch is more than that of D's. So the price of F watch is more than that of D. Yeah, price of F watch is more than that of D. So friends, finally we have solved one of the interesting puzzle, right? More interesting. So friends, always remember that try to practice lot of puzzle like this, right? Because we can expect these type of toughest puzzle in upcoming IBPS PO 2017.